Hi future homeowners, welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour. So for today's vlog, we're going to feature another project here in Pampanga, located dito sa Mexico Calulut area. So we have what we call the Ahoya project. So nandito tayo ngayon dito sa may Mexico Road, no? And then right beside the Mexico Road is the NLEX. So you have the two access actually going to the side. So pwede ka din sa sa may Mexico exit, no? Kapag magagaling ka ng Manila or dito nga sa may Mexico Road. And then from here, if you will notice, there are mga establishments na commercial, no? We have the Global Plaza sa Global Construct City. Ayan. So currently may tinatayo nga silang hotel yan. So that's a hotel. Ayan. And there are malls or mga commercial din dyan sa loob. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo and you will see the signage of the NLEX. Ayan siya. After this this tulay na to, papunta na tayo sa Ahoya. You will notice there are signages already na straight ahead going to Ahoya. So, diretsuhan lang natin. So, hindi naman kayo maliligaw. Thanks to Google Map or Waze ngayon, no, for you to really locate the property. Most likely naman, very accurate naman yung mga pin location nila. So after diretso, you will see turn left. So this is the access road going to Ahoya. So magta-turn left lang tayo dito. So as we turn left, no, just go straight forward lang. But make sure na kapag nakita nyo na yung dun sa may isang kanto na going to the right, so yun yung mag-right turn na tayo para hindi yung maligaw. Ito yung pinaka landmark, no. After this basketball court, you have to turn right. Yan. So you will see signage naman na mga parang flag or mga tarpaulin ni Ahoya. So you will see there, Ahoya. So may mga tarpaulin or mga signages naman na dito. And we'll just go straight, and then after that, left beside of the road, yun na yung sa side. Kailangan mo na ng registration for security and safety ng mga homeowners dito sa Ahoya. So, yan, 24/7 naman yung security card nila, no? Hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour. So, nakita nyo naman with our background today, diba? So, we're here in Ahoya, Pampanga. And together with me, joining us for our Virtual House Tour, sir?
I'm Nicolay Gaslipo, Tour Manager.
Yes, so sir, yun nga, we're so excited about our company, no? First and foremost, tell us about more about the company, sir.
So, Aboitiz po is a company that started in Cebu.
Cebu?
So, parang it started as a shipping company. So, from shipping ngayon, it's a conglomerate. Parang nag-shift na po siya to other business ventures. So, meron po tayo sa mga feeds, meron po tayo sa banking, meron din po tayo sa food and beverages. Ngayon po, meron po tayo sa house and lot. So, residential po.
So sa mga banking, sir, who are the partnered bank pa natin, sir?
So currently po, ang hinahandle po natin na banks is Union Bank po at saka si Citibank po. So yun po yung mga banks na under po ni Aboitiz. And then for the beverages naman po, ngayon po, we are handling Coca-Cola po.
Coca-Cola, I see. Pero before, we have also like shipping like the to-go buzzer, right?
Yes, to-go travel, super ferry. So those are part of the Aboitiz company.
Oh, that's nice. And we're so excited to show you around dito sa project natin kasi there are a lot of options that our clients can choose from, diba sir? So from the shop houses to house and lot packages and even sa lot only wherein the client can, build his or her dream home, diba? So, tara, what are we waiting for? Let's go and come and visit with the model units that we have. So aside from the house and lot packages that Ahoya has to offer to us, meron din tayong mga shop houses. So behind us, ito yung mga sample na ready for occupancy, no sir?
Yes, sir.
With the shop houses. So how many square meter that we have for the lot area and the floor, sir?
So yung for the lot area, it's 60 square meters naman. And then for the floor area, it's 108 square meters. So it has 3 floors po.
3 floors.
The first floor po is for the commercial use. Then the second and third floor po is for the residential use.
Oh.
So we made the shop house po para maging accessible po sa mga clients po natin na hindi na nila kailangan lumabas para makapagpunta sa mga groceries or other utilities na kailangan nilang punta.
Oh, I see. And our shop houses are located in front of the site development plan, no? So, sa harap lang siya, no, sir? Yung mga available that
Yes,
we
sir.
have.
Opo. Ang kinaganda po nito, since nasa entrances po sila, kasama na din po yung mga surrounding communities po. Makaka-access po dito sa shop houses. Not only our homeowners po dito sa Ahoya.
Yes. And what are the allowed na businesses that they could put up?
We have convenience stores, coffee shops, tapos meron din mga laundry shops. So, ang maganda dito, yung mga buyers natin, hindi sila pwede magpare-parehas ng concept. Iba-iba talaga yung mga retail natin na ma-experience dito sa mga shop houses natin. Minomoderate po natin yung mga concepts po.
Para at least hindi para-pareho yung competition, no, maiwasan. When it comes to the pricing, so mga how much yung price range that we have for the shop houses, sir?
So ngayon nasa around 6.2 to 6.8 na po ang prices ng shop houses natin. Our project started in 2019. So parang 5% ang increase niya every year po.
Ano naman sila huli when it comes to investing, no? Kasi yun nga, kumbaga mixed use, pwede kang yun nga, mag-business and at the same time for your residential. And we're excited to show you with the model units naman for the residential. Let's go! So with our model units, sir, very easy lang siya tandaan kasi all of our units are single attached. Meron lang tayong single detached, which is the 5 bedroom. So let's begin with the single attached 2 bedroom. So SA2BR para mabilis lang tandaan when it comes sa mga buyer natin. So ito yun na, sir. How many floor area and lot area that we have here, sir?
So for the floor area po, it's 59 square meters po. For the lot area naman po is 88 po ang minimum natin. Pero it depends po dun sa location po ng ating unit. Minsan po pag corner lot, mas malaki po yung lot area po natin. So ang kinaganda po ng project po natin dito, everything is expandable po. So we have service area po, tapos we even have the carport. As you can see, may naka-park po na sasakyan po dito. So lahat na po ng units natin may carport and then expandable yung service area. So aside from the standard na 2 bedroom, you can also make a bedroom din po sa service area po natin or a dirty kitchen.
I see. And almost similar yung mga design nyo, no, sir, when it comes sa 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom, and 5 bedroom, no? Parang magkakahawig sila, no, sir? No? When it comes to design.
Ang inspiration po ni Ahoya is yung bahay na bato. So they call it bahay na bato. Pero may inspiration po siya ng mga bentang. So ito po yung signature po namin. So lahat po ng model units po namin across our project. Lagi pong mayroong porch. So we call this one, it's a feature po na porch. Pwede po kayo magstay dito. Tapos we also have the ventanilla din po sa taas. Design po. Tapos ang color scheme po natin is earth tone po. So yun po ang po natin. So similar po lahat yung mga natin. Color scheme po for all model units.
Para maganda din tignan yung community, no? Pag na-build na lahat, no, sir?
Yes po, sir. Tapos kung gusto po nilang maglagay po ng bakod po, pwede din.
Pwede din. Subject for approval.
Yes po, subject for approval.
Come on, let's go inside. Ayan. Wow! So this is the dressed up model unit that we have for the 2 bedroom, no, sir?
Yes po, sir. Bali yung dress up units po natin, pag pumunta po kayo dito, parang it serves an inspiration po.
Yes.
Dun sa mga buyers natin. So, ang turnover naman po natin sa kanila is complete finish naman. So, meron pang room for improvement po sa mga buyers po natin.
Since complete finish, when we say complete finish, as in naka-tiles naman na siya, hindi siya purely bare. Kasi yung mga ibang mga units bare pa lang
Yes
But
po.
for this one, complete finish na siya, no?
So
And then,
ano na po siya, may tiles na po, tapos nakapintura na po. May partition na din yung rooms and also meron na din pong pintura
Okay.
yung walls natin.
and then dito, sir, I believe this one for the clean kitchen, this is already an upgraded.
Yes
Oh.
po, sir. So this one, sir, yung sa nakikita natin dito sa kitchen, we have the cupboard here and the granite table niya. So dito po, parang improved na po ito. So
Okay.
for the turnover, what we only have is the sink po
I
natin. So, kasi sir, baka yung client niyo po may ibang personality
Oo nga.
po. Iba po yung gusto niyang klaseng kitchen.
Kitchen.
So may room for improvement pa po siya.
Okay,
Pwede niya
based
pa
on
pong
his
baguhin.
or her preference,
Yes
no?
po, opo.
And then, napansin ko lang, meron tayong parang backdoor dito, no? So, it's an access for the service area pa.
Yes
so,
po. Opo.
This,
So lahat po nung units natin, sir, we have 2 meters po, 2.5 meters po
na setback.
na setback po.
Okay.
So what you can do here po is pwede po kayong gumawa ng dirty kitchen, or kung gusto niyo po ng extra room po, lalo na kung may kasama po kayong
Senior.
elderly. Opo, pwede po
yes.
natin siyang gamitin.
So, doable pa din naman to upgrade, no?
Yes
Sooner
po,
or
opo.
later.
Mm-mm.
Alright, sige. So, let's go naman sa second floor niya. So, dito sa second floor, we have the common toilet and bathroom. Dito siya. Ayan. So, right beside with the common toilet and bathroom is the master's bedroom. This will be your master's bedroom. Yeah. Look how beautiful it is. Ayan. Let's go naman sa second bedroom.
So for the 2BR, the other bedroom po is located po right adjacent po dun sa master's bedroom. So ito po, ang 2BR po natin talaga, usually for starting families po sila. So ito po, ideal use po siya for the kids po. Yan. So ang kinaganda nga po ng features po natin dito sa mga units natin sa Ahoya, both floors po meron na pong CR.
So the good thing for the two-bedroom that we have, this one's still non-VAT because hindi pa siya pasok dun sa threshold. So therefore, mas mura pa siya as compared to 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom. Kasi the ceiling or the threshold for the VATable units is 3.6, diba?
Yes po.
So for this one, hindi pa naman po
Hindi
siya
pa
sa
naman. Opo.
but to give them a ballpark, mga how much to, sir?
Yung units po natin nasa around 3.5 po siya.
Okay.
So, kasama na po yung other charges po natin. So, hindi pa siya umabot po talaga dun sa VAT threshold
Threshold. So, kaya might as well, our client might really consider getting one dito sa Ahoya habang non-VAT pa.
Non-VAT
Kasi
pa. Yes
baka sooner or later, di
mag-price
ba,
increase
mag-price
na po
increase
kami.
na
Yes
and
po.
mamimit na niya yung threshold. Let's proceed now to 3-bedroom. So, nandito naman tayo sa 3-bedroom unit natin. So, the difference lang, actually, the lot area is similar, 88 square meter. And the floor area, it's a little bit bigger since 3-bedroom nga siya. It comes with it 72 square meter. So, almost similar din yung design, no, sir?
Yes po, sir.
So,
So,
it
yung
comes with
features natin parehas po.
Same lang, okay.
Bigger floor area po ang difference po niya.
And of course,
Yes po.
the price itself.
opo. So, mas mataas na po siya mga around 400 to 500,000 po.
And I've noticed, sir, dito pwede ka pang mag-landscape, no, sir? Ayan,
Yes po,
garden,
sir.
plantita.
Lahat po ng units po natin, meron po tayong extra lot po dito sa gilid po.
Oh,
So, pwede po nilang i-utilize po for room expansion or kung gusto po nila ng garden po.
perfect talaga yan sa mga plantito-plantita. And even the right side niya, diba, sir? So, meron pa siyang mini garden dyan. O, tara, what are we waiting for? Let's come inside. Ayan. Ito looks bigger talaga, no, sir? As
Yes po,
compared
sir.
to 2-bedroom, no? So, you have more ample space for your living area, no? So, ayan, pwede dyan yung mag-Netflix ka dyan, diba,
Yes
sir?
po. Dito po, sir, kung makikita niyo po, ito po yung staircase po natin. Na-utilize po siya.
Yes.
So, pero pag tinurn over po, staircase lang po siya. Pero what the interior designer did po, parang na-utilize po siya. Meron po siyang wall, tsaka naging storage area na din po siya.
Yes. So, para ma-maximize talaga yung space, no, sir?
Yes po, sir. Usually po yung mga interior designers po natin, creative po
Creative
talaga
and
sila.
na-maximize. Paano
When it
buksan
comes
to,
po.
sir? Sige nga.
Nihila lang po siya.
Ay, nihila lang yan. Okay.
Yan.
So, yan. Pwede pala siyang maging storage area para walang kalat-kalat sa bahay, no, sir?
Yes po, sir.
And right beside with the ano sir, with this one comes with your common toilet and bathroom.
Yes po. Yun po.
So ganyan na din yung deliverables, no sir?
Din po.
I see.
Tsaka naka-tiles na din.
And then of course, the typical Filipino family, no, they do have the clean kitchen inside. And yun nga, but the good thing about Ahoya, meron pa din siyang service area or for the laundry and kitchen. Nakasama pa din for the 88 square meter of lot area.
Yes
Ito
po,
yan
opo.
for room for expansion or for improvement, no sir?
Yes
For
po,
the
sir.
laundry, dirty kitchen, or even a small room for senior citizen.
Yes po, sir. Tapos even po yung back area po, pwede po natin siyang bakod po.
Bakod,
Yan,
for
yun.
privacy,
Privacy,
no?
yes po.
Let's go naman sa second floor. What I love dito is hindi super steep yung stairs niya, no sir? So this will be your master's bedroom. Ayan. Yan yung master's bedroom niya.
Yan, for the 3-bedroom unit po natin, so yung dalawang extra rooms pa nasa second floor din po along with the master's bedroom po. So kung gusto po nung bata, babae, lalaki, magkahiwalay, perfect po yung 3-bedroom po natin.
Yes.
Since gusto nila ng privacy nila. So pag nag-start na kayo ng family, medyo lumalaki na, mas okay na po itong i-offer po sa mga
Yes.
families po na lumalaki na po yung mga kids po nila.
Or yung iba sir, merong mga virtual assistant
Yes
na mga,
po.
mga work from home. So they could convert this one into an office, diba sir? Since kumbaga, let's say nag-start pa lang sila with their family, isa pa lang yung kid nila. So pwede to for an office setup.
Pwede nyo siyang gamitin. Utilize po yung space.
And of course, sir, we have another toilet and bathroom here on the second floor. Para nga hindi nga akyat baba kapag
Paggabi,
maggabi,
yes po,
no?
po.
So we're excited to show you around naman sa one of the best selling unit natin dito sa Ahoya is the 4-bedroom unit natin. So come on, let's go. So this is the one of the best selling units that we have, the 4-bedroom, no?
Yes
So,
po, sir.
ayun nga, medyo curious yata yung mga clients natin kung ano ba yung price difference nila with each other, sir. So, mga how much kaya?
So from the 3-bedroom, which is 3.9M, ito po 4.5M po.
Oh.
Pero regardless po if tumaas po yung price niya, ito po talaga yung mabilis maubos sa inventory namin. Dahil sakto lang yung space niya, di siya ganun kalaki, di siya ganun kaliit.
Oh.
So na-accommodate yung kahit medyo medium size po na family.
Oh, I see. So, tara, pasukin natin. Let's go. Ayan. So, talagang spacious yung 4-bedroom.
Yes,
Kasi,
sir. Makikita nyo yung difference po nung size po.
Because the lot area that we have is nasa 106 square meter and
Yes, po.
more or less 91 square meter of floor area. Ayan. So, dito, parang napansin ko, sir, you have a division from your living and your dining. Ayan. So, this will be your dining actually. So, let's turn on the lights.
Actually, sir, dahil nga mas malaki na yung floor area natin, yung kumbaga, kaya na natin gumawa ng partition.
Partition.
Po. Yan. So, kumbaga, parang, regardless if we have a partition or wala, hindi siya magmumukhang maliit yung space po natin. So, ideally po, maganda po siya, lalo na kung gusto mo kumakain ka or gusto mo nasa living room area para may separate space po talaga tayo.
Yes, for privacy din. So, again, all of our units comes with the setback, no?
Yes po,
for
another expansion po.
Yes. And speaking of room, sir, and I believe for our units here in 4-bedroom, it comes already with a bedroom sa ground floor niya or ground level, no, sir? This one. Ayan.
So, for the 4-bedroom po, yung ika-4 po na bedroom niya, nandito po sa baba. Opo. Usually po yung mga buyers po natin, kaya gusto nila to. Kasi kung may kasama silang elderly
yes.
sa family nila.
Citizen.
Yes po, opo. Na nahihirapan ng umakyat. Perfect to sa kanila na meron pong room dito sa baba.
Let's go to the second floor. Before we proceed nga sa second floor, it comes with a toilet and bathroom on the ground floor. So, right beside of your bedroom sa ilalim, nandito yung toilet and bathroom niya. Katabi niya lang. So, tara, punta na tayo sa second floor. So, this will be your master's bedroom. Ayan. So from the master's bedroom, the only difference with the other units is meron tong own common or own toilet and bathroom niya. So meron siyang sarili. And then yun nga na aside from the own toilet and bathroom ni master's bedroom, meron tayo pa din common toilet and bathroom. So a total of 3 toilet and bathroom.
And then for the other bedrooms naman po, yan. We have 2 bedrooms pa po na extra aside from the masters po dito sa second floor po natin. This one is the other room naman po. So this one is much more spacious po than the other extra room po. Ito naman po, pwede siyang ma-utilize po as a room and an office space natin. So gaya po na nakikita po natin dito sa ating model unit.
So lastly, kung meron tayong 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom, and for a bigger family na that could accommodate up to 5 bedroom, meron din tayo sa Ahoya, right sir?
Yes.
And for this one, ipapakita natin yung actual deliverables naman na. So since I believe sa 2, 3, and 4 bedroom na pinuntahan natin, nagkaroon na sila ng inspiration, no?
Yes po.
But for this one, dito makita nila yung actual na nakatiles.
Ang kinaganda dito sir, ano po siya, single detached.
Single detached.
Unit po natin.
And it comes with how many lot area and floor area, sir?
Depende po yun sir sa lot area kung corner o hindi. Pero minimum lot size po natin is 108 square meters po. Naman po it's 107 square meters po.
Oh,
Up and down na po.
And single detached siya, so it's parang wala siyang firewall.
Yes po, wala po siyang firewall.
Okay.
Tsaka tagusan po siya. Kumbaga parang dalawang street po ang address po ninyo. So
Yes.
meron po kayong access sa harap, may access din po sa likod.
Tara, pasokin natin, sir. So, ayan. Sobrang laki naman, sir. Pag walang gamit talaga, no, sir?
Yes po, sir.
Ayan.
Yan. Actually, sir, di talaga namin din rest up yung 5 bedroom namin. So, para kapag ka nagpunta po kayo dito, makita nyo po kung paano po namin actual po i-deliver yung unit sa inyo. So, naka-tiles naman na po siya, naka-pintura na po. May partitions na din po. Tapos, for the kitchen po, we have the sink po.
Yeah.
Yan.
Ayan. And then, of course, on the ground floor, ito, favorite ko kasi yung sa storage, sir. So, may storage area
Yes
na
po,
din
may
siya.
storage po siya. Di pa po counted yan dun sa 5 bedrooms po natin.
So, ayan, for the 5 bedroom, yung first room niya is on the ground floor. Ayan. So, again, yung mga iba, kino-convert na lang into home office, no? So, parang yun yung magiging setup nila. And of course, dito din sa katabi niya is the toilet and bathroom naman niya. So, this is your master's bedroom. Ayan, sobrang luwag, no, sir? And of course, since 5 bedroom naman siya, it comes with own toilet and bathroom yan, no? Para hindi na lalabas pa, no, sir?
Opo.
Ayan.
Bedrooms po, we have 3 additional rooms po dito. So, ito po, this is the other room po.
Pang third na,
Pang
diba?
third na niya. Opo.
Oo.
Tapos ito po yung ating
Pang
pang
fourth.
fourth. Tapos adjacent po doon sa ating master's bedroom, may isa pa po tayong room.
Room, okay.
Dito. So ito
This
po
is
yung
the
pang
pang
5. Pang 5th po.
So that's why it's a 5-bedroom unit. And yun nga, without further ado with our viewers, how much naman to, sir, for the 5-bedroom? Kasi sobrang laki niya, di ba?
So, ano po siya, lumalabas po mga nasa 6.2M na po yung unit po natin.
I see. Okay. So for the Ahoya homeowners, no? So we're here now sa amenity area natin, no, sir? So we have this super spacious na clubhouse or the function hall, no, sir?
Yes
that
po, sir.
Our unit owners can enjoy once they are already unit owners dito, no, sir?
Yes.
And of course, likod niya is the swimming pool, no, sir?
Yes po. So, meron po tayong dalawang swimming pool po. Isang pang kids po, tsaka isang parang semi-lap pool na po natin dito.
And speaking of kids, for sure matutuwa sila because meron pa tayong playground, no, sir?
Yes po.
Ayan yung playground din natin, no?
Adjacent po lahat ng mga amenities natin. Tapos
okay.
lastly po, sir, ayun po. So, we also have a full basketball court po.
Parang multi-function din siya, no, sir?
Yes, sir.
So, pwede ka din mag-tennis bazan, no, sir?
Opo. So, kung wari gusto nyo pong i-rent out yung buong amenity area para sa isang group or ano po, pwede din naman po siya.
Oh,
so,
I see.
i-reserve po natin yan sa ano po natin sa
PMO, Property Management,
Property
no?
Management, yes po.
Wait, there's more. So, as you can see behind us, no, sir, parang walang nakatayo. So, walang nakatayong bahay, di ba?
Yes
so,
po, sir.
With Ahoya, you could also choose a lot only, no, as an option. Kasi some of the unit own or mga buyers natin or clients, they opt to choose to build their own design, di ba, sir?
Yes po,
So,
sir.
with this one, ayan, we could offer them an option lang na lot only, di ba? So, the typical cat size, sir, how many lot area that we could offer to our clients?
Sa remaining inventories natin ngayon, sir, we have units sizes na 158 square meters, smallest po, tapos meron pa tayong 250 square meters po.
And I believe if they want to have a bigger space pa, no, pwedeng combine
Yes
or
po,
two
opo.
adjacent lots.
Yes.
Ayun.
So, kung gusto po nila ng mansion or ano, di dalawang
Oo.
lot po
Located
yung
dito
kukunin
sa
nila.
Ahoya Subdivision. So, sir, ano naman ba yung theme that should be followed kapag magtatayo ng own design nila? Ano bang design na pwede?
Yes po. Kasi gusto natin na medyo hindi po lalayo sa
Okay.
mga existing houses po. So, what we could build po are mga houses na modern contemporary po yung theme nila. Tapos earth tones po din yung color.
Oh.
Para hindi medyo nalalayo dun sa mga katabi nilang bahay yung color po ng house po nila.
So maybe the unit owners are curious when it comes to the payment terms that we have, no, sir? So how could they avail a unit dito with the existing promotion and payment terms that we have, sir?
Yan. So for the payment terms po, ang payment scheme po natin is 10% down payment, payable po by the buyer. Then yung remaining balance po na 90% is loan through bank financing po.
I see. And how long yung down payment stage natin, sir?
Yan. Standard na po natin, medyo mahaba po siya. It's 24 months po for non-RFO units. If RFO naman po, 12 months. Pero let's say po yung unit po talaga, wala pa talaga nakakonstruct or hindi pa talaga nasa-subdivide, we can offer up to 36 months po for the down payment.
So, ganun kalaki.
Yes po. Kahaba. Stretch po yung ano natin. So, para medyo mas may time pa sila makapag-ipon dun sa before po ma-loan take out.
And I believe that's 0% interest, no, sir?
Yes po.
And speaking, sir, behind us, ang daming ng mga susi, di ba, sir? And I believe mata-turnover na
Yes
yung
po, for turnover na po to this year. So,
Okay.
marami na po yung mga nag-invest po from 2 years ago po.
Okay.
Meron na pong turnover
Ayan
po na
na, sir.
magaganap this year po.
Yes, ito yung susi nila. And speaking of turnover, kailan naman possible ma-turnover yung mga bahay ng mga clients natin, sir?
So,
just like this.
Pag malapit na pong matapos yung down payment nila, 6 months before po, makaka-receive na po sila ng call from the bank po to process their loan. So, once naman po na-approve na sila sa loan and yung loan guarantee po binigay na po sa amin, maghihintay po tayo ng around 3 to 6 months po. Kasi kasama po doon yung inspection po and then yung formal turnover po ng units.
Oh, I see. So, we're excited to give you this key sa mga unit owners natin. So, for a comprehensive discussion ng mga payment terms and available inventory that we have, feel free to message us with this number and we're more than happy to guide you. And again, thank you so much and see you on our next vlog. Bye for now!